In this video, I will show you how to create a triple treble crochet, also known as a double treble crochet in US terminology. For this sample, I am using a 4mm crochet hook and a chunky weight yarn such as DMC Nova Vita 4. To work a triple treble crochet, we're going to wrap our yarn over our hook 3 times, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn around the hook and pull through. You will have 5 stitches on your hook. Wrap the yarn round and pull through the first 2, yarn around the hook again, through the second 2, and this is your triple treble crochet. 3 times around the hook, pull through to make 5 stitches, through the first 2, second 2, third 2 and the fourth. And here I've completed my row of triple treble crochets.